Now we begin with unit number 2, which is solution and colligative properties. Solution and colligative properties. Now before we begin with colligative property, let us first deal with solutions. What is a solution? What is concentration of solution? How concentration of solution is represented? And then we come on to the colligative properties. So we begin. What is meant by solution? So as we know, solution is a mixture. What is solution? Solution is a mixture. Mixture of, the solution is mixture of solute plus solvent. So solute like NaCl, KCl, KNO3, etc. Now solute could either be solid like NaCl, KCl, etc. It could be liquid like ethanol, methanol, etc. It could also be gas like SO2, CO2, SO3, etc. So the mixture of solute and solvent is termed as solution. Now what is important in solution? So important in solution is concentration of solution. Concentration of solution. So what is meant by concentration of solution? So we say concentration of solution means ratio of solute is to solvent, ratio of solute is to solvent, or it is ratio of solute is to solution. Solute is to solution. Ratio of solute is to solvent or ratio of solute is to solution is termed as concentration of solution. So what is concentration? So we say ratio of solute is to solvent or ratio of solute is to solution. So some representations are the ratio of solute is to solvent and some representation are ratio of solute is to solution. Now how concentration is represented? So we know that concentration is represented in various ways. These are: number 1, mass percentage, number 2 is molarity, number 3 is molality, number 4 is normality, number 5 is mole fraction, and the last one is part per million called as ppm. So these are the various ways through which representation of solution can be made. Representation of concentration of solution could be done. Now, if we discuss these concentration one by one, so first the representation of concentration, which is very important, is mass percentage. So let us discuss the mass percentage. Now, what is mass percentage? What is the mass percentage? So we say it is mass of solute in grams, present in 100 ml of solution or present in 100 grams of solution. It is mass of solute in grams present in 100 ml of solution or it is 100 grams of solution. So I proceed. Now mass percent could be written as mass percent is mass per cent. Cent means 100. So mass percent is mass per 100. It is mass per 100. Mass per 100. So we say mass of solute in grams per 100 ml of solution or mass of solute in grams per 100 grams of solution. So is it 100 ml or 100 grams? So it could either be 100 ml of solution, it could be either 100 grams of solution. So what is mass percentage? So remember, mass percentage is ratio of solute is to solution. It is ratio of solute is to solution. Solute is taken in grams. Solution could either be 100 ml, it could be either 100 grams. Now if it is 100 ml, then it is represented by volume. Mass percent by volume. If it is 100 ml, it is mass percent by volume. Now if it is 100 grams of solution, then it is mass percent by mass. So mass percent by volume and mass percent by mass. Mass percent by volume, mass percent by mass. Let us take an example. Suppose if it is given 10% NaCl solution by volume. 10% NaCl solution by volume means, so it means 10 grams NaCl in 100. Since it is given by volume, therefore it would be 100 ml of solution. 10 grams NaCl in 100 ml of solution. If I say 15% KCl solution by mass, since it is by mass, it means 15 grams KCl in 100 grams of solution. So if it is given by volume, then we take 100 ml of solution. If it is given by mass, then we take 100 grams of solution. Now if nothing is given, suppose you have been given 20% KNO3 solution, 20% KNO3 solution, you have been given 20% KNO3 solution, but by volume or by mass is not written. If by volume or by mass is not written, then what? So if it is by volume, we will take 100 ml. If it is by mass, we take 100 grams. If nothing is given, then by default it would be taken as by mass. That is, it would be taken 100 grams of solution. If it is mentioned by volume, 100 ml. If it is mentioned by mass, 100 grams. If nothing is mentioned, then it would be always by mass.